Welcome to one of the most powerful techniques of meditation, mindfulness meditation. This is not just a practice, it's a life changing tool that has been used for thousands of years. Don't take it lightly. Let me tell you, this is the same technique Buddha himself practiced to find inner peace and enlightenment. It has the power to calm your mind, heal your stress, and bring you a deep sense of clarity and joy. If you feel overwhelmed by life, by your thoughts, emotions, or endless to do lists, this meditation can help. It will teach you how to stay in the present moment, let go of worries, and connect with your true self. Don't underestimate its simplicity. What seems small can have a big impact. When practiced regularly, mindfulness can transform your mind, your body, and your life. So, take this moment seriously. Give yourself the time and space to experience it fully. Now, I will guide you through a mindfulness meditation. By the end, you will feel lighter, calmer, and more connected to yourself. So, let's begin. First, find a comfortable position. Sit on a chair, a cushion, or lie down. Once you are comfortable, gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose. Hold it for a second. Now slowly breathe out through your mouth. Let's do that 2 more times. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Breathe in, hold, and breathe out. Now let your breathing return to normal. Don't force it. Just notice how it feels. Feel the air moving in and out of your nose. If your mind starts to wander, that is okay. Just gently bring your focus back to your breath. Let's wake up your senses. Start by listening to the sounds around you. It could be the hum of a fan, distant noises, or even silence. Just notice what you hear. Now feel the ground beneath you. Is it soft or firm, cool or warm? Feel how it supports you. Next, bring your attention to your breath again. With each breath in, imagine you are breathing in calm and peace. With each breath out, let go of stress and worry. Now, let's relax the body. Start at the top of your head. Notice if there are any tension there. Relax your forehead, your eyes, and your jaw. Let go of any tightness. Move your attention to your neck and shoulders. Are they tense? Let them drop and relax. Now focus on your arms and hands. Let them feel heavy and soft. Move to your chest and stomach. Breathe into any tension you feel. Let it go with each exhale. Finally, bring your focus to your legs and feet. Feel them touching the ground. Imagine roots growing from your feet, keeping you stable and safe. Thoughts might come into your mind. That's okay. Imagine your thoughts as clouds in the sky. Watch them float by. Don't hold on to them. If your mind wanders, just gently bring your focus back to your breath. Remember, your breath is always here to guide you. Now, rest in this moment of stillness. You don't need to do anything, just be. Feel the calm inside you. It is always there, even when life feels busy. Repeat silently to yourself, I am here, I am calm, I am at peace. I am here, I am calm, I am at peace. Now take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. When you are ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel your body waking up. Open your eyes slowly. Notice how you feel. You have just given yourself a gift, a moment of peace. Remember, this feeling is always within you. You can return to it anytime. If this meditation helped you, share it with someone who needs peace too. Take care and see you next time. Thank you for watching.